Today, we'll be exploring 3 of the best apps that can help you learn essential English phrases. Whether you're preparing for travel, improving your conversation skills, or diving into idioms and slang, these apps will make learning engaging and effective. Let's get started. Simply Learn Languages Phrases. Simply Learn Languages Phrases is an effective app designed to help users learn essential phrases in English and other languages. The app features a user-friendly interface with categorized phrases for various situations, such as travel, greetings, shopping, and dining. Users can listen to the pronunciation by native speakers, which aids in improving speaking and listening skills. Additionally, the app allows users to save their favorite phrases and includes quizzes to test their knowledge. It's a great tool for both beginners and travelers looking to enhance their communication skills on the go. Learn English 5,000 Phrases. Learn English 5,000 Phrases is a comprehensive learning app that offers a vast collection of phrases to help users improve their English proficiency. The app covers a wide range of topics and scenarios, making it suitable for everyday conversations. Users can listen to audio recordings by fluent speakers, helping them familiarize themselves with correct pronunciation. The app also features a search function, flashcards, and quizzes to reinforce learning. With its extensive phrase library and practical approach, this app is perfect for anyone wanting to build their English vocabulary and conversational skills. English Idioms v. Slang Phrases. English Idioms v. Slang Phrases focuses on teaching users the idiomatic expressions and slang used in everyday English. Understanding idioms and slang is crucial for grasping the nuances of the language, and this app provides clear explanations and examples for each phrase. Users can navigate through various categories such as slang, idioms, and conversational phrases, making it easy to learn in context. The app also includes quizzes to test comprehension and help users remember what they've learned. This app is ideal for learners who want to enhance their understanding of informal English and speak more naturally. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best Learn English Phrases apps helps you in your language learning journey. Let us know. Until next time, happy learning!